Hello again. In this video, I'm just gonna be downloading a simple picture using Python. It's not gonna be a long video. It's like literally like 4 lines or 5 lines of code. So let's get started. Again, we're gonna be importing the requests module because we're gonna be making get requests. Sorry. And let's specify our URL, which will be a try-hack-me picture. There it is. So this is our URL. So let's say that our can equals to request.get, making use of the requests module. Get our URL, and we're gonna use the with context manager to open. Let's open ghm logo.png and in write binary mode, because the binary mode can be used to handle every non-text data, meaning images and executables. Let's open it as p for pictures, and let's say p.write r.content, because the response will be in bytes. That's why we are using .content instead of .text. Okay, this looks good. Let's try it out to see if we do get the picture. Okay, so Python down.py. Okay, ls, and we got the picture. Let's see. Where am I here? In the directory, so move gg root desktop. There's the picture. Very simple stuff, yeah, but since I said I would do a video about every challenge here, like why not? And it's still making use of the requests module, which is a very useful module when it comes to cybersecurity and IT in general. Yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.